The TLC2 Compact includes the capability of product inspection, product collation, case erection, case loading, and case closing. A unique benefit when integrating serialization into the TLC is the ability of row inspection, which enables the reject of an individual row of products instead of having to reject a complete case once loaded. Here we see an internal view of the machine with the serialized cartons coming in from the left, carton collation via a cross push onto the collation table, and a pick and place by use of PEWO-form robot. Completed cases are transported via 4 belts that push the case from the trailing 4 corners to ensure a square case and smooth transitioning through the case closing guides. This application called for a customized elevated outfeed to allow for check weighing, labeling, inspection, and rejection. Here we see an example of good cases lifted and cross-pushed where they can be labeled and conveyed downstream for palletizing. Another key aspect of the Toploading Casepacker is its versatility. Here we see the same machine with a requirement for the product in the cartons to be standing upright in the case during storage and transport. As the cartons come in from the left, the same pack robot that cross-pushed the previous formats lifts individual rows and upends cartons 90 degrees onto the collation table. A foam roller ensures cartons are correctly placed and level upon collation. A second pack robot with custom suction head and side gripper plates picks the full layer and places it into the case. Another engineering feature that we see in the consumer division is the lane diverter. Here you will see a single lane in-feed operation diverted into an 8-section collation station to queue the bottles so the robot can pick and place collations of the bottles into the case. Here you can see we utilize the PEWO-form robot to pick and place the bottles out of the collation station and put them in the case. After the case is loaded, it is moved downstream via the case transport station. The gripper heads are fitted with sensors to ensure all bottles are in position to be picked and placed into the case. Our PEWO-form robot is a 3-axis robot which allows for flexibility in loading collations into cases. For higher speed applications, we utilize 2 vacuum suctions for case erection in addition to a hot melt glue closure. On the outfeed, we have roller balls to apply an extra amount of pressure to the minor flaps to ensure the hot melt glue has a tight seal. Thank you for the time today. We will now move on to the Q&A portion of this presentation.